Hi everybody, back in my kitchen, and today I want to show you how to make a quick and easy 5-ingredient microwave fudge. Let's get to it. First, I've got caster sugar, some condensed milk, some butter, obviously chuckles, and some vanilla extract, and that's it. So what you want is a very big microwave safe bowl. It needs to be big because it's going to bubble over and you don't want it to mess all over your microwave. So first ingredients going in is sugar, some butter, condensed milk in, and vanilla extract, about a teaspoon. And then you just start stirring and mix it through, and then pop it into your microwave for about 8 to 10 minutes. But every 2 minutes, I'm gonna take it out and just keep stirring it. This just helps all the sugar dissolve quickly. Let's check this baby out. So look at that. See, the color has changed. It's gone a bit amber and a bit golden. I think this guy is ready. So what you want to do now is whip it for about 5 minutes. This will also just cool it down slightly, but break down the sugar crystals as well. In 5 minutes. Then what I want to do is fold in my chuckles. Oops, and lose them. And then I'm gonna place these guys into this bowl that I've greased and lined. This looks pretty cool from here. Now I'm gonna refrigerate this until it's solid and ready to go. Okay, that baby's been chilling in the fridge for a few hours. Grab it out. Look at that. Now we're gonna cut it into bars. I like the ideas of having it as bars because I think it's cuter. Maybe let's taste one. So delicious. There we go, guys. Try it at home and let us know what you think.